Hello, in front of me I have OPPO K10x, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on this device. Okay, but before we open up our WhatsApp, let's open up the settings and let's make sure that as we scroll down into the Google, that we are logged into the same Google account on which we are logged in. On which we made the backup before. It's really important because when you are logged into other Google account, you won't be able to restore your chats. So simply make sure that you are logged into proper account. Now we can open up our WhatsApp. As you can see, the app welcomes us. Now we need to click agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us notifications. This is basically the setup number, the setup process. Because I have uninstalled and I have installed then the WhatsApp, just to show you. Okay, now in here we need to type our phone number. If you don't know what is your phone number, you can always click on what's my number, then it will be automatically copied. Actually, that's what I'm going to do right now. And also, once you have typed your phone number, you need to verify it. And we have two methods how we can do it. We can use the code from the SMS message, or we can use the missed call function. I always pick the missed call right in here. Click on continue. Okay, everything has been verified. Now, click on continue. Click on allow, and allow. And now we have option to restore our chats. Below we can see when the last backup was made. We can also see its size and the account on which we made that backup. And as you take a look, it's the same Google account that I have shown you in the settings before. Also remember that if you don't restore your chats right now, you won't have that possibility to do it later, so you should do it right now. So click on restore. Now the process will start. Okay, 18 messages restored. Now hit on next. In here we need to type our profile info. Our name, and we can also change the profile photo. So simply type your name. When you click on that green plus button, you will be able to change your profile photo. Okay. Now, as you take a look, all of the messages, including the photos and the videos, has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.